In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an application in Zoho Creator. Now, the first thing you want to do here when you are on the dashboard inside the Creator, click on Applications, top left, and click on Create Application. In here, you can go ahead and start from scratch, from gallery, or from a file, but what we're going to do is we're just going to use their AI over here because this is the easiest when you are a beginner. So I'm going to click on Create. And then you have to basically describe what your application should do. I'm just going to paste this in, so I want an app that can track how long different tasks are taking. You can click to begin the task and then click again when you're done, which records how much time it took. Now, this is a very simple app, of course. You can build much more complex apps. It's completely up to you what you want to do. But for this instance, I'm just going to click on Start Building, and it's going to basically start, and in just a few seconds you'll be able to see your data model. Over here, as you can see, you'll be able to read all about your use cases. If you don't like any of these use cases, you can go ahead and delete them. You can also generate new ones or add custom ones as well. Now over here you can see your data model. You can even go ahead and scroll through and basically see what this can do. And of course, if everything is correct and okay with you, you can just click on Create Application, and then it's going to basically start designing, and this can take like a few seconds up to a few minutes. Okay, so the app has now been created, and I can go ahead and click on Access Application down here at the bottom right. And this is going to load me into my task time tracker, as you can see, and this is how it looks like over here. As you can see, it's quite interesting. So it has like a very intuitive dashboard. You can go ahead and add on tasks. You can then time the tasks, and basically it's going to do exactly the thing I wanted it to do. Okay, now you can of course go and navigate through your tool, and if it's okay with you, then that's great. You can also go ahead and swap it up here to a mobile phone view, and you can also switch it to the tablet view if you want to, and of course back to computer as well. And over here, if you don't like this and you would like to edit something, you can click on Edit this application, top right. And in here, you'll basically be put into the editor where you can go ahead and change anything regarding your design over here. You can also change the workflow, you can change the settings, etc. Okay, so that's how you make an application in Zoho Creator. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.